Happy Thursday, friends! It's kind of like your Friday. I hope that you've had a great week, and next week it'll be November. Can't believe it. Here we go. The month is October. Good job. If yesterday was October 28th, then today is October 29th. Let's fill that in on our date, October 29th, 2020. October 29th, 2020. All right, so I already said today is Thursday. That means yesterday was Wednesday, and tomorrow will be Miss Lawler's favorite day of the week, Friday. Yesterday we had been at school 30 days. Remember, we got a new rod? Now I'm going to add 1 1 for today. When I put that together, I have 3 10s and 1 1. And what does that make? 31. So today, let's make 31 cents. I'm going to do something different. 25, 30, 31. Because that's 25 cents, 5 cents, and 1 cent. All right, practice these words. Ben, there, want, right, own, being. All right, let's get our number 111. Why don't we do something different today? Let's start at 120 and count backwards to 111. Just backwards by ones. 120, 119, 118, 117, 116, 115, 114, 113, 112, 111. Let's get our number 92. What's one less? 91. What's one more? 93. Look at your tens, please. Take 1 10 away. What number is that? Look at your tens, please. Add 1 more. What's your number? That one was tricky, wasn't it? Let's go back and look at that. If we're at 92 and we add another 10, we're at 102. 289. Let's put our number in. Look at our hundreds place. Add 1 more 100. 389. Look at your hundreds place. Take 100 away. What are you at? Great job. Everybody have a great weekend. Make sure all your work's done. Have a great day.